What's up, SellerAmp Nation? In this video, I'm going to put 15 minutes on the clock and do a 15-minute Amazon All-in Arbitrage sourcing challenge to show you how you can find winning products fast using SellerAmp SAS. Let's get right into the video. So we got 15 minutes on the clock here, and let's see what we can do in terms of tracking down some winning products right here. We can see over on Nike.com, these women's slides are $13.97. We can see over on Amazon, they're buy boxing right here. We can see at 32.59. Plugging in that 13.97, we can see that's going to make us an estimated profit of about $8 and well above that 30% ROI criteria. And we can see this is also an 11,000 sales rank, so we know that this product sells pretty well too. And we can see there's about 26,000 reviews on this product, so we know that this guy sells well. And now what we want to do is we want to use this example of winning products. So if you watch other videos on our channel, you'll see tons of examples of winning products. What we want to do from here is use this one product, and we can use what's called the Storefront stalking method to go ahead and find other winners from here. So what that looks like is scrolling down to the offers tab on SellerAmp so we can see the other sellers that are carrying this product. And then what we want to do is open up proven sellers. So what's proven seller? So we know someone who has a decent amount of reviews right here. So we can see like this seller's got 370 reviews right there. This seller's got 490 reviews right here. This seller's got 192 reviews right here. As long as they got like a couple dozen or 50 plus reviews, we know they're making money. So they're going to have other products we can go ahead and look through right here. So we can see now we can take a look at these specific brands a seller has, these specific categories a seller has. We can see, looks like this seller is actually selling a lot of books. We can see like specifically what Nike products they have. We can see, okay, we already found this one good here, right? This is a 17,000 BSR, right? We want to be staying under like 100,000 BSR, so we can open up that. Right here, we can see this is a 16K rank, so that's pretty good too. We can take a look at some of these other sellers and see all the stuff they're carrying. We can see Nike, Adidas products, etc. Right, so we can see, okay, that's a 22,000 BSR, that looks good. This is 52,000 BSR, that looks good. Right here, 22K rank, right? So we want to open up anything with below like 100,000 sales rank, and then we're going to go ahead and try to track these down at profitable price here. We can see, okay, 28K rank, that's absolutely fantastic. Right here as well, we can see a 2K rank right here, pretty similar item there, 146. Right, so what we want to do is just look through these sellers that we know are making money, open up their fast selling products, and then go ahead and try to track these guys down profitably here. And the nice thing is you can see tons of examples of winning products on our channel, right? And then all you got to do is be able to track the stuff down profitably right here. So we can get a vibe on what these are selling for. So these are selling right in like the 20 range right here. We can take a look at potentially some of these other colors too. We can see a black mediums here at 23. We can see on SellerAmp that puts a max cost of $10.67. Right here, so we're going to see if we can, okay, yeah, here we go. All right, cool. So we can see, okay, this looks like a deal potentially too here. So we can see, okay, and we have this coupon here for $10 off 75 plus, right? So say we bought, like, for example, we can do math and sell at 14 times 6 right here, divide by 10, divide that by 6 here, right? So we can pay 12 for this right here using that coupon, although that is not quite good. That's definitely decently close to being good. We can check on the Cupid chart if this has historically been any higher. We can see not in the past 90 days. However, this is an example of an almost good lead. So right here, what I would do is actually go ahead and export this out to an almost good spreadsheet just using the one-click export feature in SellerAmp. So that's not quite good, but it definitely was close to being good and the kind of thing we want to track for the future. But this guy looks like a great deal. Now, this is a different item, but it's only $10 here, right? So what I want to do in this case is plug this in and see if this is profitable right here. So plug that in on Amazon search. Type this in and let's see what we can do here. So it looks like we got two potential listings that look like that same item. We just want to color filter here. Okay, black medium here. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, game time. All right, boom, first lead of the day here. So we got $9.95 over on Upper 90. Now I'm pretty sure Upper 90 does charge shipping, but there is a coupon that works on this. I think it's welcome 15 gets 15% off, right? So we're going to end up paying right around $10 for the sign of $9.95. Right there, we can plug that in. We can see that beats the max cost here. So our max cost is $11.98. We can see this comes in at $9.95. It leaves about $5 profit and a 50% ROI. And that is after shipping, fees, sales tax, everything like that, right? I have inbound shipping to Amazon in my SellerAmp calculator right there. So that is not a bad product whatsoever. And we found that by looking inside the storefronts of other sellers and tracking down other stuff. We can also take a look at some of these other colors too. Gray, white, black. We can see they're all in like 30 range. See if we can snag any of these guys anywhere else at a similar cost here. So we can see 14. Ooh, this looks great. $7 with code right there. Let's see these gray one right here. Dark gray, heather black. Yeah. Okay, Train Essentials Field Training Tee. I think that's a little bit different. Let's see. All right, let's see. Adidas right here. So Adidas gray right here. Okay, yeah, I'm not seeing anything that matches those. No problems. We'll keep rolling. Those definitely good to start us off here. That's a 300K rank, so we're not going to look at this one. Let's see. This is 22K rank. That looks great here. Looks like these guys are moving. Yeah, I bet Amazon's on a lot of these here. Yeah, we're going to have to get these for really, really cheap. I don't think that's going to be possible. And not every item's going to be good, right? But you're going to get pretty good over time. Let's see. That actually looks like a pretty good deal here. Black utility. Yeah, so we can pay 5, sell at 12. Yes, that's not. We lose 40% on that. So it's absolutely not what I'm looking for. Right, okay, so we're 5 minutes in. We already got one winner so far. Let's see what we got on these guys. Right here, 72. Right, so you want to pay in like the 30 range for these guys. And it's also important to note that you're going to find a lot of deals when you Google other products, right? So like, for example, we Google this and other products show up here in the Google search bar. It's really important to note that you're going to find deals by looking that way all the time, right? So let's see. So these are 36 here. So we need to pay, let's see, 36 in the buy box right here. So we need to pay like 18 or less, which we can see, 20 off 100 plus. It's actually decently close right here. 18 for the all black ones. Right here, 31, not quite. It's close. There's a coupon that'll work right there. Let's keep this rolling here. Let's see, club hoodies. Let's see, 61. So you want to pay like 30, 27 max cost here, or it's actually 62 right there. So you want to pay 31 or less. Right here. Ooh, okay. Navy actually works here. We got some potential deals. Okay, that looks like a deal here. That looks like a deal there. And then let's see. Do you have these club navy? Club Navy. Okay, so we only have 2 extra large. Damn, and then that 2 extra large is out of stock. So if you ever run into this where we can see this is profitable, but the variation currently is in stock, you can use what's called the variation wizard, which you can find on Amazon Seller Central. Occasionally, you'll be able to use that and actually snag those to be good, but we can see those other sizes totally would be good at a $30 cost to 60. However, that currently isn't good. Right there. Okay, let's check this. Nike PU Hoodie Youth. We can see some of the other sizes are out of stock, which is a good sign too. All right, let's see. Okay, I'm not seeing a match right there. No problem. Right here. Let's see pullover hoodies, all black here. 32 looks like a great deal. So you want the, oh yeah, here we go. 69 right there. And oh, that 10% might work too. I doubt it works on stuff that's on clearance, but we definitely want to check that out too. But we can see 32 bucks right here. Oh yeah, this is excellent right here. Yeah, black, white, see extra small. Yep, home delivery in stock, pretty quick here. Yeah, so this is the kind of thing with Q4 guys, right? You would want to get in hand and get listed FBM as soon as possible right here. We can see max cost is 35. We're only paying 32 right there. 14 bucks profit, 40% ROI. Definitely want to give this an expand or scroll down here and take a look at the Keepa and see that there's been people buy boxing way higher too. Wow, just in like the past week here, there's been people buy boxing up at 77 as well, which is absolutely fantastic here. So we can see 75, so we can see price a little bit lower currently. Makes sense. There's some competition up and on it, but this should be the kind of thing that performs really, really well throughout the rest of the winter as well, just because we're just getting into like the cool time of the year. So if say that thing gets up to 75, it's going to be really good. And why I love variation listings as well is we can see there's also several other sizes that also work at that $32 buy cost. And you see how we found that by Googling a different product that ended up being good. So I definitely want to take a look at some of these other sizes as well. So we can see like mediums or here they're currently out of stock. You can be able to track these guys down anywhere. Don't think so. They have the dark grays on Academy as well. Check dark grays here. Yeah, 51. Okay, so that definitely doesn't work. About light gray here. Light gray, 63, 44. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, sweet. So we got some winners right there. Right, so we can keep this moving. So you see, it's feasible to find some winning products if you're digging around and, you know, very reseller friendly stuff. If something's got a lot of sellers on it and the price isn't going down, you know people are making money on that, right? And you can use the products we take a look at in this video to find additional winning products from here too, right? That's going to be a really, really good method to find additional things. Like for example, like this hoodie down at 20 with an additional coupon looks fantastic right here. Let's definitely take a look at that. We can see 27 right here as well. Let's say we want light gray here. 37, that definitely doesn't work. Let's see, all black right here. Yeah, too cheap right there. Let's take a look at this Jordan hoodie though. Right here, so we got about 5 minutes left in the challenge here. Jordan Essentials PO hoodie. Okay, yeah, you want the non-zip up. Okay, so we can see, yeah, right here, so 53. I doubt this sells quick though because it only has 5 reviews here. Oh wow, actually, so yeah, 50K rank here. So we see we only have a small and a medium here, and then there's that additional 20% coupon. So this actually ends up being pretty nice here because it's 20. And then it was a 20 off 100 coupon. So I'd want to optimize my cart values to be just above 100. right there. So if we go here, we're gonna end up paying about 16 bucks pop right there. So that's nice here. Now, the key here is that it's a 50,000 rank, which is good. There's only 34 estimated sales per month. So what SellerAmp does is it takes into account historical ranks. So what I assume is if we go down here and take a look at the Keep It chart, we can see the sales rank used to be a lot higher on this. So that's why the estimated sales is low. However, I can see currently the sales rank is very good, right in like the 75,000 range and dropping too. And I can also see that the competition's falling off a lot. It's gone from 29 sellers on December 29th all the way down to only 9 sellers, and the price is absolutely mooning right here as well. So that is a fantastic, that's the best product we found so far today. And I definitely want to look and make sure that that's the right thing, but I definitely think it is Essentials PO hoodie right there. So that's an example where even without the coupon, that wouldn't be good. But a lot of people would have gotten scared of that 34 estimated sales per month. But at 53, that ends up being 100% ROI. That's a fantastic item. And we can see that that moves clearly based on how the competition's moved right there, which is absolutely fantastic. So we can see a size small is looking good right there too. At 50, right? So we pay 16, buy boxing at 50 right there. Boom, gotta love it. Right, sweet. Yeah, same deal right there. We can see even at 43, that's fine. It's going up too, right there, which you gotta love right here. So we can keep this thing rolling right here. Got some Air Force Ones. Let's see, 115. Don't think we're gonna be able to pay 65 bucks or less. We can see just in 15 minutes here, we're cleaning links. You gotta love it right here, right? Amazon Online Arbitrage right here. Okay, let's see. Max cost 19. Do not think we're gonna be able to get that down to that. No problem. Let's see, Brasilia sock packs. Let's look that up. Let's see, that look cheap here. And okay, they're like string bag. Brasilia gym sack. Yeah, here we go. Navy 15. Gamro, yeah, it's a little different. No problem. Okay, yep, I think we're beat on those. Okay, we got 3 minutes left. Let's find track down another win here. Let's see. Good line. A lot of repeat listings here. Club Train, men's joggers. Right here, let's see what we got. We got those. Let's see, this looks great. Yeah, 20K rank right there. Like the look of that here. And we can see we can find a bunch of fast selling listings really, really quick. 13K rank right there. Already found the women's Manassi's good. 224 there. It's a little bit high. Let's see, this one's going to be high as well here. Let's see, okay. 7.5 here, 86. Plug this in. Oh, wow, 54 Nike women's. Okay, this looks great here. So we got 20 off 100, so we can get an additional discount here. So we're going to pay in like the mid 40s here. We got a couple potential listings right here. All these sizes in stock too. Yeah, here we go. So we're paying like mid 40s here. Yeah, 83. Here we go. 88. So this is, see, that size in stock too. Yeah, 55. And then we're going to get right around like 20% off with that because we have that 20 off 100. We can just loop a bunch of orders right there. So that's not a bad ROI whatsoever right there. So we can see $20 profit. And I have sales tax factored and I have inbound shipping to Amazon. A lot of this stuff out with FBM though through the end of the year. I'm getting a lot of questions like, when does FBM season end? Once the market tells you that FBM season's done, once your stuff stops flying. FBM, here we go. This should be some other winners too. Yeah, look at this stuff here. So this is a little bit higher rank here. It's like 201K rank, but it is key 4, right? It's the heart of key 4. We can see this product is selling looking at the Keep It chart, right? We know that this moves as long as we see oscillation in terms of the competition right there. So that's absolutely not bad. And we can see absolutely a winner right there. And that was an example where there were 2 Amazon listings for the same product. And both of them actually ended up having profitable variations, which is absolutely not bad whatsoever. And then I definitely want to take a look at the men's listing as well here. Let's see. That's why like leads hang out right around each other, guys. It's really, really important to get that, right? Good products hang out right around each other. So we got 1184 here, right? So we can see right there, right in that ballpark here. 81. Yeah. So this is maybe if you're in like Minnesota, New Hampshire, Oregon, Delaware, Montana, one of these states doesn't have sales tax for a lot of stuff, that would work right there. But I guess even at 84, that does work right there. 55, take off 20%-ish. Probably gonna end up being close to like 18% off, right? That's not amazing for a shoe. Maybe if you're in a sales tax free state, or maybe if the price is trending up here on that, but we can see, 86, maybe a little bit right there. That's the 15-minute sourcing challenge. You can see we dug into a little niche, found a bunch of quick selling listings, looked them up profitable, stayed curious in terms of stuff that looked like a deal as well. So we appreciate you guys watching this. If you guys got any questions, let us know down below, and we'll see you in the next one, SellerAmp Nation.